The last part of your what do you say, your final accounts is your balance sheet. Now things are simple. I have a trial balance. Whatever is my expenses and incomes, we have already learned how do we classify them into what? Trading and P&L. That means whatever is not touched there is part of my balance sheet. Everything which is on the debit is my asset. Everything which is on the credit is my liability. We already covered it. So that's the end of your final accounts. So what we will be doing from now on is we'll do multiple questions of your final accounts. Are you clear? Now there are also certain things you need to understand when we are doing a final accounts is, if they have given you opening balance of a balance sheet, that is, let's say April 1st, they give you balances and they'll give you transactions or the events during the year. From here you will have to arrive at the closing balances. From the closing balance you will prepare trading, P&L and balance sheet. This is one method of questions what you can get. The second kind of question what you can get is, you will have a trial balance. From the trial balance, one of our favorite, you'll have a trial balance. Whatever is on the debit will either be my expense or my asset. Whatever is on the credit will be my liability or income. You know what has to be done. Then you do adjustment. Each adjustment will carry 1 to 2 marks. This classification will carry 4 marks. So basically you will have 6 adjustments plus 4 for your easy classification, 10 marks question. This is the one which comes in frequent. Whenever this comes in, people start freaking out when they give you opening to closing, because one entry they miss, balance sheet does not tally. So here your all the basics starts coming into picture, or else these are the general 2 methods of doing it, right? So what we will try doing is, every time apart from this new adjustment comes in, we will write it separately. So I want you guys to leave some 3-4 maybe another 1 page extra, so that on the day before exam you see the adjustment, your mind should go in. For you guys, that adjustment page is more than enough. You don't have to worry about the full-fledged question, but we'll do it because it will make you practice. Or else for you guys, just the adjustment sheets are more than enough for you guys for your exam. Do we start? Okay. We'll do basic question first. After that, we'll move into the first one. What we will do is, guys, because it's our first question and I'm not doing anything more advanced, we are just taking the basic trading account, P&L account, balance sheet, no adjustments. So what we will do is, I want you guys to make the format straight away. Format is what? Sri Mittal gives you the following balance as on 31st March. So the heading for the question is going to be, in the books of Sri Mittal. In the books of Sri Mittal. First one, what do you want to write first? Balance sheet, trading or P&L? Trading. Write down. Trading account. Okay, you can write it trading and P&L straight away. Trading and profit and loss account for the year ending. Trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2017. In the exam, don't write shortcuts, trading, P&L, write profit and loss account only. Are you clear? Format. What's the format? Particulars, amount, particulars, amount, particulars, amount, particulars, amount, towards right hand side. First one will be what? No, debit or credit. On the amount top, write down debit and credit. It's always better if you can draw lines, because our handwritings, whenever there are no lines, it crosses Pakistan border also. Correct, no? Done? Particulars amount, particulars amount. Now first item, capital. Okay, next sheet, make your balance sheet. In the exam, don't try saving pages. One page exclusively for trading and profit and loss account. One sheet exclusively for your balance sheet. Here you can do it, but in the exam, one sheet for one thing. Don't save paper on the day of exam. You will spend more papers preparing for 6 more months. Right? Trading and P&L account. Then I have my balance sheet. Okay, first item, capital. So write down balance sheet. In the balance sheet, capital 8,70,000. Madam, capital liability, madam. Madam, not you. Balance sheet you won't write to and fro, madam. We'll only write the headings. In the balance sheet, you will only write it as capital. How much is the amount? That's all. Are you clear? Don't write from to, thanking you, regards, everything. Nothing is required. Only you write the names. Are you all clear? Next one. Purchase and sales. Which account? Guys, I'll write it here. Then we'll see the purchase and sales. Trading account. Whatever is on the debit is my purchases. Whatever is on the credit is my sales. Clear? So in the trading account, you will write as what? Buy purchases. Two purchases, sure. Two purchases, how much? 6,05,000. And here you will write buy sales, how much? 12 lakh. Next one, opening stock. Opening stock, trading account. So write down 2 opening stock, 72,000. Next one, trade receivables, trade payables. Trade receivables is another name for debtors. Trade payables is my debtors comes under my assets. Creditors comes under my liabilities. Next one, 14% bank loan. 14% bank loan. I want you guys to look into this carefully.
Sir, should you have to write subheadings in the balance sheet?
First, get your balance sheet right. After that, we will put the headings. Your CS friends are getting worried. We are not going to do balance sheet only. Why is he getting worried? No. Both are wearing yellow, dirty fellow. Not you. CS guys. Nothing. Listen. 14% bank loan at the end of the year. Why is this important? Is because there is no interest to be paid. Remember this. If this is not given, compulsory to charge interest. Are you clear? Loan is a liability. Loan is a liability. Liability how much? 2 lakh. Write it on the liability side. Done. Next one. Bank overdrafts. End of the year. Again, bank overdraft is again a liability. Balance sheet. Then salaries. So P&L account, we'll keep it as it is right now because we have to close our trading account. Then we'll come back to the P. So whatever is to be done later, I'll just put a tick so that I don't miss out later. Advertisement. Other expenses. Then what is this? Returns, you have it on the debit and the credit side. What does it mean? Okay, returns on the debit side means sales return, and return on the credit side means purchase return. Are you clear? Are you clear? How are you gonna do it? On your purchases, write minus purchase return. How much is the purchase return? 30,000. Therefore, my net purchases will be 5,75,000. Are you clear? And for sales, how much is the sales return? Less sales return. How much is it?
14,000.
Therefore, how much is your net sales?
1 lakh.
Are you all clear? So we'll come back to the question. So sales return is over. Next one, furniture. Furniture, assets. So write it on the asset side. 4,50,000. Next one. Are you done till here? Next one, building.
Asset.
Cash in hand.
Asset.
Done till here? Are we done till here?
Yes.
Now there are only 3 items which we have missed it, which we have ticked it also. Which are the 3? Salary, advertisement and other expenses. Are you clear? Now let's come to our adjustments. What do you mean by adjustments? Adjustments are the ones which are outside the trial balance. Anything outside the trial balance should appear twice. Understood? Anything outside the trial balance should appear twice. Closing inventory. I know as per the format it should be coming in the trading account where closing stock. How much was the amount? Closing stock 1 lakh. Yes. Always please remember, the moment you do adjustment, please do always two sides at the same time. Whenever you are doing adjustments, make a point that you're going to be doing what? Two sides at the same time. One side I wrote it in the trading account. Other side, where should I write? Closing stock in my balance sheet, 1 lakh. Have I recorded both the sides? And if you know, see here, this is coming on the credit side, this is coming on the debit side, assets. Are you all clear? Now find out your net profit, sorry, gross profit from your trading account. How do you find gross profit? Find the total first. How much is the total? 12 lakh 70. 12 lakh 70 minus this, minus this. So how much do you get gross profit as? 6 lakh. Any of you guys, any doubt? Whatever we are doing is only for 4 marks in your final exam. So you know this has to be done faster, within 8 minutes. In the exam, 8 minutes is what you get to complete what I am doing right now. So tomorrow when you come in, I want you guys, when I give you the question, directly tuck, 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 do the first part, then we'll only focus on the adjustments. One adjustment, 4 minutes. Because you get 2 marks or 1 mark depending on it. So we'll figure out how much time to spend. Done? What? So what do I do with my gross profit? I'll write here. By gross profit 6 lakh 23,000. Done? Done till here? Next one, which are the 3 expenses I wrote it in my salary, advertisement and other expenses. So write it here. Two salaries. How much? 2 lakh 70. Then 2 advertisement, 1 lakh 10,000. To other expenses. So how much? Which is more, debit or credit? Credit is more. Therefore, I am getting a net profit. In the bracket, right? Balancing figure. How much? 1 lakh. 1,83,000. Are you clear? In the balance sheet, whatever is the net profit is going to come below capital. Net profit 1,83,000. Right? Now, what are the other items there? Just tell me, I'll write it down so that I. What are the other things in the balance sheet? You guys have written. Trade payables. Trade payables 1 lakh. Then how much? 2 lakhs. Then done. On the asset side, furniture 4 lakh 50. Then trade receivables 90,000. Then building 8 lakh. Then cash in hand. Then Done? Does your balance sheet tally? How much? 15 lakh? So congratulations, you got 5 marks. Only 5 marks. Correct now? Done? Okay, this is the question you guys have to do. Wait. I am adding another adjustment now called depreciation. Listen to it. What do you mean by depreciation? Just a basic concept. Depreciation is the fall in the value of asset. It is a compulsory expense that is more than enough for your final accounts. What is depreciation? Decrease in the value of asset. First one. Second one is what? Okay. Expenses should be debited or credited. So you will write depreciation account debit. 2. Asset value coming down should be debited or credited to respective fixed asset, that is my furniture account. 10% of the value. How much is the furniture value? 3,50,000. How much is 10% of 3,50,000? 35,000. In the exam, you will have to write the adjustment ka journal entry. You will have to write what? And second one, you will write depreciation under the profit and loss account. Second one, furniture, reduce it from the value of furniture. Adjustment, did you understand? Asset value reduced by 35,000. Then you write on the depreciation on the expenses 35,000. Are you clear till here? Is everyone clear till here? Right? So I want you guys, it is 7:42. I will give you guys time 13 minutes. 1-3. You have to finish it off. Proper formatting and you have to do it faster. Illustration number 10. Let's first start the classification. Capital. Capital. Next one. Sales. Purchases. Opening inventory. Freight inwards. Salaries. Other administration. Furniture. Okay, once you are done doing all of this, better way to do in the exam is, even though you spend another 1 minute more, it's always better to read the adjustments before you start doing it, because you can finish off faster. For the ones who are taking time, I'm just telling it for you. You can finish off faster. Closing stock will appear where? Trading account, balance sheet. Just write this so that you know. Okay, depreciation, profit and loss, balance sheet, assets, reduction. Just write this thing. That means you know that you have to be aware. So what you can do is, depreciation is where. So let's come to the trading account first. See your trading account. Did you all get 5,62,000?
Yes.
Trading account 5,62,000. She did some adjustment there. No. 5,62,000. Anyone who did not get 562? Gross profit 152.
Yes.
Gross profit 152. Now guys, see here the first adjustment. Depreciation, closing inventory. Both the things should come in my Asset side, depreciation reduces the value of the furniture, and closing inventory here. See here, credit, debit, debit, reduction in the value, debit. Sorry. Easy.